Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an airport taxi in booking.com. So first head over to booking.com. Then here at the top corner of your screen, you can see options. But of course, click on airport taxis. First is choose your type of trip if it's one way or return. Then just use this search bar to filter out the best options for you. Start by entering your pickup location, then enter your destination. Then next is the pickup date, and of course the pickup time. The next is add in the return date if you chose return. Next is choose the number of passengers, then click on the search button. Now from here, choose from the options. You can also see how many seats and suitcases will fit to this specific vehicle, so choose what fits best for you. Next is scroll down, and here you can see an option to request a child car seat, and it's free. This is applicable for babies and children up to 11 years old. And here you can also add your flight so the driver knows when to pick you up. You can search for departure airport or just enter in your flight number manually. Then head over and click on the continue button. Next is add in your contact details, your name, email address, and phone number. Then proceed to payment. So the last step is to add in or choose your payment method. So it could be your debit or credit card. Add in your cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and CVC. Then finalize the booking by clicking on Book and Pay. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!